going to show you how to scan this vehicle, how to test the ignition signal, how to clean spark plugs, and how to swap ignition coil socket. Then finally, I'm going to show you how to clean oil deposit. Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Audi A3. This vehicle has a problem with check engine. Look at the dashboard. Apart from that, there is some hesitation, rough idling, then it loses power when you're driving. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. First, I'm going to scan this vehicle using my thinker machine. Audi, connecting. So engine has 5 fault, transmission has 0 fault. Okay, read fault code. Here the main fault code is P0300, which is multiple random misfire. Then we have P031 and P032, cylinder 1 and cylinder 2 misfire. So let's go and check. So this is the coil 1, coil 2, coil 3, then final coil 4. So this is the coil 1 socket. We need to test the ignition. The ignition is okay. Then we need to put tester on the positive terminal so that we test the earth. So the earth is okay, so meaning all signals are okay. Unfortunately, pin 2-1 socket is broken, that causing P0302. So we need to replace the whole socket. So I'm going to swap that socket so that we solve the code P0302. So right now we are done with the sockets. Now we are moving to the plugs. Let's see the condition of the plugs. So P0300, the plugs are not okay. Even the coils, we have some oil deposit, see, and some corrosion. So I'm going to use the carburetor carb to make sure the coils are clean, are free from corrosion, like that. This is how I normally clean the corrosion, and we are going to do this to every coils, like that. The second is to clean the oil deposit using the cotton, like that. After that, I'm going to clean the plugs. This is how I normally clean the spark plugs, using a wire mesh brush. See, this is the plug compared to plugs. So I'm going to clean all 4 plugs. See, this is the second plug. Like that. Very easy to do it. See, the plugs are clean. After that, I'm going to install back the plugs. Make sure all the plugs are tightened. So we are doing this to eliminate the random misfire. After that is to make sure the coils are okay and the sockets are perfect. See, so the last coil. In this vehicle, the main fault code was spark plugs and the oil deposit. Then another one was the corrosion of the ignition coils. That one has triggered the P0300, which is multiple random misfire. Then we had the broken socket that triggered the code P0302, which is cylinder 2 misfire. Let me put ignition on. So I'm going to clear the fault code from the system. So here we need to make sure the ignition is on, engine is off, ignition is on. Then let's clear the fault code. So we need to clear to quick erase the fault code. Let me read the fault code. There's no any fault code in the system. No any fault code on the dashboard. Let's see. The engine is running. Perfect. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.